All right, I'm back at Harbor Freight. I'm going to go over day 5 of the 10 days of deals. So day 5 is going to be on Friday, March 20th. One day only for these deals, and it's a deal that I know many of you have been waiting for. I'm first going to cover the one that they have on the Icon Professional Split Beam Torque Wrench. It's a 1/2 inch drive one that does offer the torque range of 40 to 250 pounds of torque. It does normally retail at $140, but you'll be able to save $40 on that, making it 100. So it might be a good time to pick this up. Who knows when they'll do a deal on the torque wrenches in general, like they did last year, and what that discount would be. But this basically comes to about 28% off. So it is a good deal on a split beam. I know it has very many good reviews on it, and it's comparable to the Snap-on version. So it might be a good pickup there for the $100. All right, the next deal that many of you have been waiting for a very long time, because it's been a long time since they've had it, is going to be when you buy the Hercules 5 amp hour battery starter kit with the charger. You get a free tool. So you are going to have an option of 6 different tools to choose from in this bundle, this BOGO deal. So I'll go over each of the tool options. It's going to be up to a value of $70 as far as the free tool goes. Like I said, many of you have been waiting, and here it is. It's going to be the one day only though. So the Hercules starter kit with the 5 amp hour battery and 4 amp charger is priced at $120. So you buy that, which is battery and charger. It does come with a 3-year limited warranty on it, but most of the tools do come with a 5-year warranty. All right, so for the first tool option is going to be on a impact wrench. It's going to be the 20-volt 1/2 inch one. It offers 500 foot-pounds of bolt breakaway torque and 325 foot-pounds of fastening torque. It is variable speed, has a LED light there, and it has different modes to it as well. This does feel like a decent one. I like the ergonomic grip to it. It does feel comfortable in the hand, and it probably has great reviews, I'm sure. So again, it's the 1/2 inch version, and this is priced at normally $70. So this would be an absolute good pickup to go for if you're in the market for an impact wrench. This is going to be the best bang for the buck, as well as the one-handed recip saw, which I'll show next. All right, the next option is on the one-handed compact recip saw. It does offer keyless blade change, which is very simple to do. You basically switch over the little lever right here to release the blade and change out the new one. This is a brushless version, and this looks like a spitting image of the Milwaukee one-handed recip saw. Again, it has a nice ergonomic grip to it, so it makes it easy for easy one-handed operation. Something like this would make a great tool to be able to use for pruning. Just pair it with a pruning blade. So if you have a lot of branches or shrubs to cut up, or even roots, it would be a good tool to use. It does have a 7/8 stroke length, and it weighs 3.7 pounds. It even includes a blade as well. So again, this one is also priced normally at $70. So it's going to be the next best option as being the highest value you're going to get for free. And I want to show a couple examples of pruning blades that would be great to use with the one-handed recip saw. So this is one by Hercules. It's a 3-piece set of 9-inch pruning saw blades. And you can see how aggressive the teeth are on the blade. So this is good for cutting branches and even roots and clean wood. It does have 5 teeth per inch. I haven't used these before, but I have a Milwaukee version that I've cut up roots with with a recip saw, and these are awesome to use. Highly recommend it if you have a lot of this type of cutting to do. So these Hercules blades do retail at $10, and they do have a Warrior brand version of it. This one is a 5-piece set versus the 3-piece that the Hercules does have. This is a little bit more aggressive teeth. So this would not necessarily be good for cutting roots inside of a ground. It will dull those blades very quick, but it would be good for regular pruning though. And these are actually on instant savings right now at only $7, which is saving 22%. So it might be worth the pickup if you're just going to be doing regular pruning with them. If you're enjoying this video so far, I would really appreciate that you do give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more of these deal videos if you're not already. Help me get to the 50,000 subscriber goal that I have. And as soon as the channel reaches 50,000 subscribers, I'll be doing a giveaway of 5 Icon Meme 2.0 toolkits that are $80 value each. And I really do appreciate that support. Please subscribe, and it's free to subscribe anyways, so why not be notified of tool deal videos? Help save you money on tools. And again, I appreciate that support. Let's go on to the next deal. All right, the next option is going to be on the Hercules 20-volt heat gun. It does have one temp setting, which is a maximum of 905 degrees Fahrenheit. It even has a LED light and a hanging hook. I believe it also comes with different attachments too, so you can do heat shrink tubing without burning up anything else. Again, this does feel pretty ergonomic and nice in the hand, and there's the hook there on the back. So this is normally priced at 40 bucks. So that'd be the value you're getting for free if you choose the heat gun. The next option is on the Hercules 20-volt job site blower. It does blow up to 200 miles per hour and 120 CFM. It does have a 3-speed selector and the ergonomic grip. This to me looks just like the DeWalt version, which is the one that I have. And this is a value at $45 you'd be getting for free if you select this tool. A good item to pick up if you're not already have a job site blower. These are very handy to have to help blow off debris from a saw or around the job site area, or even a small yard of leaves. It'll be powerful enough to do that. So again, that's a $45 value. It would be a good option. All right, the next option is going to be on the Hercules 20 volt and 120 volt cordless dual power job site fan. So you could power it by an extension cord, just like the Ryobi and DeWalt, and I think Milwaukee even offers that as well. It does offer 300 CFM of air movement and multiple hang options, even 120-degree fan tilt. It does offer up to a 10-hour runtime. It has a different selector dial there for the intensity, and it does pivot. And this is normally priced at 25 bucks. So that would be the value you're getting for free if you select this tool. I'd only recommend going this route if you have all the other tools that they are offering, because this is the lowest price one you're going to get for free. All right, and the last option you can get for free is on the Hercules half-gallon cordless 20-volt wet dry vacuum. So it does have dual cleanup options, which it does have the built-in front nozzle there. The display does not have it here, but there's normally a hose right here that goes into this that would suck from the built-in nozzle there. The hose does wrap around to the other side, and you could use the hose itself as an attachment to get into the nooks and crannies of things. It does offer a washable HEPA cartridge filter, and the air movement is 40 CFM, and that hose is 57 inches long, extendable hose. The value you're going to get for free here is $45 value. So it might be a solid option to go for, but maybe check the reviews, because I've seen on some of them that mentions that doesn't have good suction to it. So there might be the better options to go for. As far as the free tool option, which I'd recommend going for either the impact wrench or the one-handed recip saw, because that's going to be their best bangs for the buck for getting for free when buying the $120 starter kit. All right, so that's going to be it for the offerings on the Hercules deal. Let me know down in the comments below what you plan on picking up. I know it's been a moment that a lot of people have been waiting for on the Hercules BOGO deal. It's the time to get it, because we don't see it often, that's for sure. And I also wanted to give a reminder that starting tomorrow on Friday, March 20th through the 22nd for this weekend is going to be the free item with the purchase. For everyone, it's going to be $34.99, a minimum purchase. Our ITC members, it's going to be any purchase at all. So when you're going in for your Hercules or Icon deal tomorrow on Friday, be sure to pick up your free item. There's good selections there. All right, so if you gained value from this video, I would appreciate it if you do give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more deal videos like this. Help the channel get to that 50,000 subscriber goal so I can give away those 5 Icon Meme 2.0 toolkits. I really do appreciate that support, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much.